You've blamed the US and other actors for ousting you as Prime Minister, and you have made it abundantly clear that you wish to return to power. Wouldn't accusing the current government of perpetrating the assassination attempt without proof work in favour of your political endeavours? That's certainly what your critics are suggesting.
Becky, I don't need any reason to accuse this government for me to get back into power. Every opinion poll in Pakistan, 75% of the by-elections have been won by us. All the opinion polls, this is the most popular party. You don't need to accuse people of assassination so that you get more popular in this country. We know what is happening. You know, the two people I've accused, Shahbaz Sharif, the Prime Minister, and the Interior Minister, both have been accused for a massacre. 12 people were massacred and about 60 were hit with bullets when the police opened fire at an unarmed crowd which was planning to do a political protest. It's called the Model Town Massacre. They have been accused of killing people, assassination, extrajudicial killing. This is not the first time they've done it. And as for the intelligence agency, the person, the officer involved, we know how the evidence was, how this whole plot opened up. We know how the video, who made the video, from where it went to the which journalist, how it was orchestrated, and then the cover-up that is taking place.
Okay.
Since, as you said, this guy appears on television.